பரவாயில்ல எதிர்னாலும் கார் கூட புதுசு வாங்கிட்டு போயிருக்கு. ஹாய் ஷாம்பவி மேம், குட் ஈவினிங். சுதாபேரி மேம், குட் ஈவினிங். ஹவ் ஆர் யூ ஆல் டூயிங்? ஓகே, தி லாஸ்ட் ஷோ ஃப்ரம் கத்வால். அந்த சில்க் காட்டன்ஸ் அங்கே வாங்கி ஒன் பண்ணுறியா, வாங்கிக்கிறியா? இங்கே தானே இருக்கா? அவனுக்கு ஃபோன் பண்ண ஒரு 50. சரி, எவ்வளோ வந்து? Hi Shobha ma'am, good evening. Today I am little okay ma'am. Padma Tyagarajan ma'am, எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? Padmaja ma'am, how are you? என்ன? Hi Shraddha ma'am, how are you? Devika ma'am. In the hi Sai Sudham ma'am, stunning deals on handloom. I have got stunning deals on handlooms. You think I'll not do it, Shambhavi ma'am, for you? Pratibha Reddy ma'am, Ramya Ravish ma'am, Savita Rajesh ma'am. Today I'm much better than last 1 week. Appa pattuchene kabdiye. Sudha Peri ma'am, good Sudha ma'am. Ayyo Sudha Peri ma'am, please, that's very important, yeah. Hi Megha Datta ma'am, Vinita Jain ma'am, Vijaya Sridharan ma'am, Kavita ma'am. Yesterday I was not well. I couldn't carry the show. But still I forced myself and did. But you know what? We almost showed some 450, 460 sarees. And we sold some 300 to 325 Gadwal silk sarees. It was a huge response yesterday. People didn't come on live also, but then it was all on the back end. People WhatsApped and took. Today I'm going to show you power looms also, handlooms also, because B146 is power loom. Check. I'm showing you power loom also. I'm showing you handlooms also. And the best of power looms and handlooms today. But silk by silk with the silk mark. Alright, all beautiful pieces. Wonderful combination. Power loom, yeah. The first saree is an amazing color which most of them will like. Look at this. It's a nice mustard and black with the buttas we have. Radhe Radhe Sarita Gupta ma'am, Padmaja ma'am, Savita Shivakumar ma'am. Look at this. More people have been asking for this. That please give us power looms in 10,000 range. 10,000 range, 7,000 range. So we thought we will show the power looms. People have voluntarily asked for power looms. Handloom B146. I'll show you Ramya ma'am. B146. Oh, I got it Ramya ma'am. Elephants, peacocks. I'll show you. Alright, look at this. Hi Meena Venki ma'am. Wonderful Gadwal here. Pure Gadwal silk. Beautiful Kuttu border. Butter power loom sari. Might tell the price. What's the series? F1. F1 is this. Tell the price. The booking number is up and it's 8610434600. Thank you Brinda ma'am. It's from West Side. Today from morning I was traveling, arranging sarees. No weaver will have more than 20-30 sarees. We are collecting sarees from different. Satish Vaidya ma'am, book pan F1. Satish Vaidya ma'am, this is for you. Catch pannunga. It's a lovely saree and in a romba pudicha color. Pavalum, yeah. Okay. Thank you Jennifer Francis ma'am. 1 second. F1 is this, okay? Tambi, price ulla 10,999. Okay, these are fresh stocks. Look at this, one more color. This is F2. Thank you Gauri ji, thank you. This is F2. Look at this. Hi Rita ma'am. F2, we have buttas on this. A nice off-white and black border. Look at this. F2, what is the price? 10,999. My and the 8,999 buttas. Handloom weaving is really tough. Hands off. Yesterday was one. We didn't know how we did it. but similar to F1 I'll get you, ma'am. Rita ma'am guru similar F1. Okay. What happened yesterday was somewhere some deals clicked. Today also we arranged some. Any unai total handloom sarees any unai?
250 to 300.
Handloom confirm,
Handloom,
huh?
confirm.
Wow, 300 handloom sarees we have for tonight. Yesterday's was clearance. Today, fresh. The fresh ones we are giving for a clearance price. It's magic moments. Look at this. This is a beautiful saree here. Off-white and purple. 10,999. Okay, look at this. This is
F3.
F3. Then, idhar price mahi. Good evening, Satish Vaidya ma'am. F4. My check panna. F4 is this. Tell me if you want me to show handlooms, I'll switch to handlooms. F4 is this. ACU fan konja fast podunga. F4 is this. Number price solle. 10,999. F4. My check ones prices.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait. Tell me you want me to switch to handlooms? I have got one nice handloom saree. Deepan, get the chocolate saree. I wanted more people to join. Good morning, Sagarika ma'am. Ma'am, handlooms today. 300 handlooms I've arranged. But these are fresh handlooms, okay? Yes, not that Deepan, that chocolate. Mild chocolate there. One mild chocolate piece I have. I loved it. If nobody's going to take, I'll pick it up for me. These sarees are sold for not less than 28,000-32,000 rupees. Price update get on the Mahi koncho. Kami price pesa. Handlooms I'll show you. Yeah? Brown. I'll show you the brown Sudha Peri ma'am. 1 second. Deepan, update on the first brown at the Sudha Peri ma'am. 1 minute. I'll show that. I am giving you fresh handlooms today for the clearance prices. Yeah. Mahi, tell me. Look at this. See how is this saree? It's a beautiful handloom in Gadwal. Look at this, the dark brown, yeah. And look at this here, very nice border. This one is complete handloom. See here, see the handloom work. Look at this, it's complete kadiyal, kadwa buttas, not less than okay. Look at this, wonderful meenakaris. All right. And look at this. This is the pallu what we have. Okay. What is the number?
F5.
F5. F5 is this. 1 second. 1 second. Huh? Alright, look at this. Now all the sarees are for not less than, these sarees are for 26 to 27,000 rupees normally. Now these sarees are all kadwas, nice meenakaris, and these sarees we will be putting up for one price today in this range. We will be putting it for 19,999. 19,999. Okay. $2,500. Sorry. Deepan is telling we put this for 20,500 the fresh ones, but still, even though we put it for 2,500 the fresh ones, today we'll put it for 19,999. Okay, what is the number?
F5.
F5. Idhar price where? Idhar price ketako. F6. Sudha Peri ma'am. Look at this beautiful F6. A very nice chocolate. Look at this. Beautiful border. Nice chocolate. Buttas here. And this is how the pallu is. Okay. And look at this. This is the blouse piece. Tell me how's sorry, blouse piece is inside the sari. Okay, this one is
F6.
F6. Tell me the price. F6 is 1 second. My கம்மி பண்ணி போடு. எது? 1 second. 19 note பண்ணி. Or 17,000. Okay, 17,500. My heavy sarees da. avladha podu. Okay, 17,500 is this. Completely handloom. Kadwa Butta, Meenakari, 17,500. Look at this. F6. Okay. Angel ma'am, thank you. F7 is this. Elephants and diamond motifs. We have F6. My price.
F7.
F7 is this. Look at this. Beautiful Meenakaris. Okay. F7 green.
Same price.
And look at this. 19,999.
17,000.
17,999. We gave this yesterday for 16,999, right? And that was clearance. These are fresh, which we are giving for 17,999. Look at this. Very beautiful combination. This is F7.
7.
Padma ma'am, namaskara. Why error sarees? Go for the fresh ones. This is F8. Look at this. F8 is this. This is for 17,500. F8. Okay. Then all exclusive and new collections. F9 is this. Look at this. F9 is again 17,500. Okay. F9. Hi Maya Kini ma'am. Today all grand and heavy sarees for best prices. You can check out these sarees are sold for 25, 28. This is
F10.
10. F10 is this with a contrast blouse Meenakari. For F10 is for
17,999.
17,999. Check paniko. See this saree. This is one of the most beautiful Gadwal. A nice off-white, and look at this, a beautiful corvey. And see here, within 13k range, I don't have today. Within 13k range, okay. Look at this, and this is the pallu we have, and a contrast blouse piece. 19,999. Can you believe this beautiful corvey Gadwal is for this price? 19,999. Okay. Coming to the this is
F12.
F12 is this. F12, look at this. F12 black like kadikla ma'am. In 10k range for gift today, 10k range is not there. This is F12. F12 is this. 15,999. Powerlooms are there. Give me some powerlooms. Look at this one beautiful saree. A nice pista. Lovely combination. And see here. This is F13 price.
19,000.
17,999. This is F13. 17,999. Look at this. In the border, other price am I? Okay. Show some power looms. Get some power looms also. This is F14. 14. Look at this. F14 is this, and this is for 17,999. Power looms. Look at this. Which one, Sandhya ma'am? Tripti ma'am, tomorrow for 13k range. See, I have some. How many sarees we have in the room? 60, yeah. I have some 70-80 sarees in my hotel room. If you are ready to take it on nice pricing, I'll give and we'll courier it from here and come. Look at this. This is a Powerloom saree we have. A very nice Powerloom Gadwal lavender, and look at this. This is the pallu and the blouse piece. Okay, my price 11,500. Number
F15.
F15 Powerloom. Okay, look at this. F16. Look at this beautiful Gadwal silk. This F16.
16.
What's the price?
இதுங்க போடுறாங்க.
My ఒరే రేంజ్ ఒక రేంజ్ ఒక సైడ్ లో పెట్టండి, అది కన్ఫ్యూజన్ అయ్యింది. 10,500. This
F16.
F16. ఎందుకు ఇంక స్లో ఆகுது, அதனால சொல்றேன். F17 is this. 10,500 Adipan. That lavender. This is F17. Now this is a nice pink and chocolate. This F17 is this. F17. Okay. F17. What is the price?
10
எனக்கு எல்லாம் ஒரு price வச்சு கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா I can show it. Otherwise I'll wind up and go. Please, I don't do this. I told you. 270 people. One. If you wait, my flow will stop. I'll lose interest in showing. మీరు ಎಲ್ಲ ఒక్క రేంజ్ సారీస్ ఒక్క సైడ్ లో పెట్టండి సార్.
అది మనం రైస్
ఒక్క రేంజ్ లో ఫాస్ట్ గా I can show because 300 sarees we have to show. No, that's why. Okay, this is
F17.
ఎంత ప్రైస్?
10
அவன் 10,500 சொன்னப்போ அது சேம் price சொன்னா
10
10,999. Look at this. These are with the Meena Buttas. Okay. Neeta Gupta ma'am is asking for F17. It's booked. Ma'am, Neeta ma'am, it's booked already. It's a beautiful color. F17. Give me the same price. Enta price? Handloom vendor. Idu kutra ippo. Idu poitu irukilla. This range. Handlooms మీరు range wise arrange చేయండి. Till then give me this range. Okay. Diban. அந்த நல்லா நமக்கு போற மாதிரி கலர்ஸ் எடு. உங்களுக்கு தெரியாதா? அவங்க எல்லாம் கொடுப்பாங்க தீபன். உனக்கு நம்ம கஸ்டமருக்கு எந்த கலர் போகும் தெரியும்ல. நீ அங்க போடி. நம்ம தான் பண்ணணும். ஆள் இல்ல என்ன பண்றது? ஜெராக்ஸ் எடுக்க முடியும் என்ன? சரி, பிடிச்சதா இல்லை காட்ட முடியும். போயிட்டு நான் காட்ட மாட்டேன் சொல்கிறேன். ஏன்னா எனக்கு தெரியும் எது போக எது போகாது அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. Look at this. This is F18. Price சொல்லு.
10
Big border. Check பண்ணிக்கோ. F18 is this 10,999. Just give me 2 minutes. F18 is this 10,999. Nita ma'am, that saree is booked. This is F19. Look at this. Check பண்ணிக்கோ. Big border. F19 is this 10,999. F19. Yeah. புரியுதா? உனக்கு இரிட்டேட் ஆகுது, எனக்கு எப்படி ஆகும்? இங்க என்ன பண்றோம் இத்தனை நேரம்? ஒரு மணி நேரம் சும்மா தானே இருந்தோம் நம்ம. This is F20. F20. F17 is booked. Sound that? F17 is booked. This is F20. Look at this. Orange here, Deepan. F20. Look at this. F20 is this. Beautiful combination. 8 lunch பண்ண சொல்லு. This is F. இது price சொல்லு. 11,900. தப்பா தானே சொன்னேன்? I told you, my 3,000 அவன் சம்பளத்தில் கூடிய அந்த சாரி சோல்ட் ஆச்சுன்னா அவனுக்கு அப்போ தான் புத்தி வரும். This is F21. Price சொல்லு. 11,999. This is F11. Sorry.
21.
F21. 11,999. Yeah, I'll show you. Till then, arrange the handlooms in range wise. This is F22. F22 is this 11,999. Yeah. This is a pure Gadwal silks. This is F23. F23, look at this. 11,999. F23, big borders. Yeah. This is beautiful peach, pink, and nice border. Look at this. And then we have this cuttam. This is F24. Look at this. This is beautiful. F24 in the price 11,999. Oh, sorry, this is F25. Open my bag and show what I got from here. F25 is this. Look at this beautiful color. F25 and see here. Okay, F25. This is beautiful. One unique color. F25 11,999. Look at this. This is F26. F26 is this. 11,999. Okay. Huh? Kami range kudu. Ore price kudu. Kami range kudu. This is power loom. This is F27. Look at this. F27 is this. Checks, buttas, meenakari, and look at this. This is number F27 11,999. Hi Ashmita ji, कैसे हैं आप? Yes Indu ma'am. This is F28. It's a lovely green and this border. F28. F28. It's not 11,999. Check with him and tell. I'm going to punch on your face now if you tell wrong price. Okay, nimsho. ನೀವ ಸಾರಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಕರ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಓಡ மூணு வேலை எப்படி பார்க்கறது இல்ல அப்போ அங்கே சொல்ல என்ட்ரி பண்ண முடியாதுன்னு சொல்ல அங்கேருந்து ஒரு டீம் அனுப்ப சொல்லியிருப்போம் சரி நான் சாரி காட்டுறேன் நான் பேசுகிறேன் கமெண்ட் படிக்கிறேன் 3 வேலை நான் பண்ணுறேன் இப்போ 3 வேலை நீ பண்ணலாம்ல ஓகே கழுத்தை பிடிச்சி தொங்க வச்சுடு வாய் மூடு நீ தெரியலன்னு என்ன பண்ணும் ஒரு நிமிஷம் இருங்க அங்கே கேட்டு சொல்லணும் சும்மா அதர்த்தமாக சொல்லக்கூடாது நான் அவங்ககிட்ட சொன்னேன்னு நினச்சிக்குவேன் இது 1 வருஷம் நேற்று கிடையாது 10 வருஷோட உழைப்பு ஒரு செகண்டில் போகக்கூடாது ஒரு வேலை தப்பாக சொல்லிட்டு வாட் இஸ் நம்பர் F28 சாரி கொடுக்குறோம் எப்போ ப்ரைஸ் உனக்கு சொல்லுவான் அவன் கொடுத்துட்டே இருப்பான் அவனுக்கு அந்த வேலை இருக்க அவன் எடுத்து கொடுப்பான் கலர் பார்த்துட்டு 1 செகண்ட் வெயிட் பண்ணிதான் ஆகணும் மஹி பண்ணணும் நான் பண்றது இல்லையா பண்ணிதான் ஆகணும் ஓகே அப்போ யாருக்காவது வர சொல்கிறோம் டிக்கெட் போட்டு F28 ஒரு தப்பு சொன்னாங்கிறது ஒத்துக்க முடியல அதை ஆர்கியூ பண்ணும் முடியாதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஸ்டாப் இட் திஸ் F28 tell me the price this is 9,999 F28 okay handlooms F29 is this okay F29 is this look at this is the meenakari pallu we have and this is the blouse piece F29 is a beautiful ice blue and purple and this is 11,999 F29 okay look at this is F30 a very nice off-white and look at this is the border we have with the buttas and meenakari alright look at this is the pallu and the blouse piece price 11,999 okay this is one more beautiful piece hi Vijay how are you thank you okay Vijay ஒரு ஆள் அனுப்பணும் இங்க முடியாது சமாளிக்க this we are getting exhausted this F
31.
These are power looms, yes. But these are pure silk gadwals. Hi Jia ma'am, good, how are you? F31 is this. Beautiful combination. And look at this. Pallu and the blouse piece. What's the price?
11,999.
11,999. With the number, tell the price also. F30.
2.
8,999 the Katamahi. F32 is this. 11,999 is F32. Okay, then we'll go for handlooms in another 5-10 minutes. F30, they're arranging the price wise. Price wise arrange chestara handlooms. This F30
33.
3. Look at this. F33 is this, and look at this combination. Vijay Balaj, hello, thank you for coming. Anjali will feel better seeing your message. Who told that? Did I tell? I didn't tell. Look at this.
F33.
33. நீங்களே assume பண்ணி சொல்லக்கூடாதுல்ல. I feel good when everyone comes on the live. F34.
34.
Ganga Jamuna. F34 is this. What's the price? 9,009. At the mirror, 200 rupees Pakistan. F34 is this. 9,999. Yeah. Wow. F35. Look at this. The same we have in the handlooms. I will show you. Okay. These are power looms. Price Chepu Mahi.
11,999.
11,999. F35.
35.
I was just kidding, Satish Vaidya ma'am. F30.
6.
F31 available, huh? Yes, Shilpi ma'am. Yes, Kala ma'am. Feels good. Yeah? F35, that was nice. This F36.
36.
F36 is this. Enterprise?
9,999.
9,999. Ganga Jamuna?
Yes.
9,999. Yeah? F30?
37.
7 Sounder. F37, look at this. F37, green and purple. F37, look at this. Pallu and the blouse piece. F37, what's the price? Solra day.
9,999.
நீ ஒருத்தன்டா 9,999 பண்றது பாருங்க ஏன் ஸ்பீட குறைக்காத.
F38.
F38 is this. This is self border. Okay, pure Gadwal silk with buttas and checks. Look at this pallu and the blouse piece. This is F38
8.
for
11,999.
11,999. This one I loved the moment I came inside. Yeah, thank you, Indu ma'am. Handloom Rani Pink. I'll show you, ma'am. They're arranging the price wise. This is F39.
39.
11,999. It's a beautiful sari. Just go for this. Okay. With silk, mulberry silk, pure silk. This
F40.
F40 is this. 11,999 F40. Okay, give me handlooms now. F41 is this. Yeah, look at this. 11,999. Starting range cotton. Handloom. Identa handloom.
Madam, I've got 2 sarees.
Okay, Rimsha.
2-3 sarees.
Hi Anju. Ma'am, kurta from Westside. Westside is doing a great job so that I can get this kurtas. Look at this. This is one power loom I have here. Checks and buttas. Look at this. And this is the pallu we have. This is
F42.
F42 price.
11,999.
11,999. F42. F45 is beautiful. Look at this.
F43.
F43 is this. 11,999. Pista and red. Nice. Today I'm enjoying. Today we have crossed our budget in Gadwal. So today is the last show and we are going tomorrow. Tomorrow one day I have work with all my weavers. Okay. Some 7-8 weavers have to meet. Tomorrow I'll start early morning 7 o'clock till 9 o'clock. I'll be on little streets. And tomorrow night we'll be traveling to one nice place. What do you want next? Tell me. Cheppandi. What do you want next? This is number Chipra. Hey, number
F44, madam.
F44 is this. Look at this. F44 11,999. F4, wow, yellow. F45 yellow and green, 11,999. Hey, Mahi.
இல்லைங்க
அப்போ சொல்றா
9,999.
பிரைஸ் சொல்லுடா. என்னடா தூங்குறியே என்ன பண்ற? Actually, we are exhausted because we didn't take break this time for Gadwal Live. Normally, after 7 days, we take a break. Okay. This is F45.
45.
Okay, can we start with the handloom show? Paitani Gadwals, I'll check tomorrow, Suja ma'am. Yeah, tomorrow I'm meeting some viewers. Tomorrow, random also, I may connect live if I see something good. Okay, starting prices. My Pavalum Vanda.
பண்ணமா
ஏங்க புக் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கா உனக்கு?
ఇది మంచి మంచి ఐటమ్ ఈ ఐటమ్ మొత్తం ఈ ఐటమ్
அப்படியா அப்படியா அப்போ என் மூஞ்சில வச்சு அப்போ எவ்வளோ why they not coming here? You understood the technique, directly going there and booking. How many we showed?
45.
Okay. ஏய் சதீஷ்வரன் மேம் நோ நான் தானே சொன்னேன், நீங்க சொல்லக்கூடாது.
Starting.
அண்ணுமா அவ்வளோ உண்டா லூசு தொட்ட தெரியாது உனக்கு?
999.
Look at this. This is a beautiful combination. Okay. This power loom and this is in
9,999.
9,999.
F46.
F46. F47 is this. Yes, Urmila ma'am. F47, he's come and requested me. I told okay. F47, 9,999. வேண்டாம் நீங்கள் பண்ணுற அளவுக்கு உங்களுக்கு இது இல்லை. நாளைக்கு தான், நாளைக்கு மார்னிங் we have to drive by 7 o'clock சொல்கிறேன். This F48, 9,999. எங்கே சொல்கிறேன்? இல்லை விளையாட்ட வேண்டாம். F48 is this 9,999. நாளைக்கு. F49 is this Gadwal Silks Power Loom handlooms. I'll show you now. This is F49. Price சொல்றா 9,999. F40.
50.
I also did same, didn't ask in live direct WhatsApp. I know I'm not understanding here. That's why Sudeshna ma'am கேக்குறாங்க. F47. This F50, 9,999. I'll keep on showing you by however you want. This is beautiful beige and this combination with the beautiful border. Yeah, I'll text you Sagarika ma'am. This is F51. F51. 9,999. Guess boys want to party to that's what they're telling. We'll order party. Normally after every 6 days, 7 days live, 1 day break and they party also. So whatever they want, I get them also. And today Vrishali ma'am is asking 51. Now Mahi is telling I'm getting fever. One is telling something, please get us. I don't know. Because tomorrow morning we have to drive. So if they party tonight, they will get up at 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. So tomorrow morning we have to meet 7-8 viewers. Then come back. Night we have to travel 8 hours. And then next day, one show. And then that day, one break and party for them. Look at this. This F52. F52 is this 9,999. Wow, beautiful yellow and red. Yes, Gayatri ma'am. F53. F53 is this. Yes, Shanti ma'am. F54 is this. You understood that? F54, 9,999. F50.
11,999.
No, Meena ma'am. F54, huh?
55.
F55, 11,999. Neeta Gupta ma'am is asking F53 Guman. She's a new customer. She's struggling to buy. Soundar. Neeta ma'am, after getting, tell me you got it. This F56. F56, 9,999. F50.
7.
Same price.
9,999.
F57 9,999. Fast depend. We just on 57. F58 is this. 9,999 is F58. Okay. F59 is this. All these are Powerloom Gadwal silks. Okay. F59
9.
is this. 9,999. Thank you, J ma'am. Orange 57 Satish Vaidya ma'am. Pah, என்ன ஒரு color. The orange வந்தாலே அப்படியே. This F57 Satish Vaidya ma'am. F60 is this 9,999.
Right, you wanna
Huh?
item.
என்ன இதா
ఇంకా ఉంది
அவங்க கிட்ட கேளு சௌந்தர் கிட்ட. This F61
61.
9,999. Semi Gadwals I'll show you ma'am, not today. Okay. Semi Gadwals I'll show you tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Mobile கூட உன் மொபைல் கூட அந்த போட்டோஸ் கூட டக்குன்னு குடுறா.
யார் என்ன மொபைலா?
அந்த போட்டோஸ் கூட. For the next destination. Next destination I photo எடுத்து போட்டு கூட மொபைல் கொடுக்கணும். Oh, give me handlooms. உன் மொபைல்ல போட்டு குடுறா.
என்ன போட்டாங்க?
நேத்து நைட் நம்ம பேசணும்ல நாளைக்கு லைவுக்கு வேற பக்கம். F58 Shilpi Raja ma'am. ஆமாடா.
ఏమో మనీ
ஆமாடா.
పవర్లో
Okay, give me handlooms. Handloom starting range எது எடுத்து இது காవాలి later on we'll mix and show. One second. சவுந்தர் கை கால் வரலன்னா கூட பரவாயில்ல. 2 நாளைக்கு எதுவுமே கிடையாது, அமைதி இருங்க. நடுங்குன்னு பரவாயில்ல. உங்களுக்கு என்ன பயம் கிடையாது, வேறு எதுவுமே இல்லை. How many of you want this stuff? These are semi kanchis with all ikat patterns. How many of you want this? I may have limited stock, but it's a new stock which has been made. Beautiful sarees. Okay. பிரியா மேம் அப்படிதான் எப்பவுமே நான் எல்லாமே பெப்பரக்கான சொல்லிடுவேன். இந்த வாட்டிக்கு நானும் கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன், ஆனாலும் போட்டோ காட்டுட்டேன். சவுந்தருக்கும் கை நடுங்குது. ஓகே, பிரைஸ் மை டெல் தி பிரைஸ். நீ மொபைல் டிஸ்கஷன். ஓகே, I'll show you Sagarika ma'am. The pure also we'll see. Yeah. All right, we'll see some handlooms, the fresh ones. Okay. Cotton gadwals I'll get you ma'am. F58 quickly sound Shilpi ma'am ka. Huh? Okay, so all this. Net enna price what we give? 1 second. I'll just do the pricing. 1 second. Okay, so look at this pure handloom. These are all the fresh stocks what I'm showing you. Same cost at Torsipanna, which panna. Okay, look at this. Now this is a jackpot sale. Hi Vidya ma'am. No Vidya ma'am, it will take time. It will take time. I also need for the store, but it is taking time. Look at this. This one is
62.
all these are pure handloom, pure gadwals. Now these are sold for 17 to 18,000 rupees. I'm putting all this in one price. This would be for 14,999. 14,999. All handlooms, and these are the fresh stock. Look at this. This is the pallu, and you have a contrast blouse piece. What's the number?
F62.
F62 is this. Then look at this. F63
3.
is this beautiful handloom gadwals. F63, and look at this. This is the pallu. F63. Okay. F64 is this. Look at this. These are very nice, very fresh. If you can see, they are not folded like yesterday's. They are clearance, but still I think from the clearance to the fresh, hardly 1,000 rupees difference we are giving you still. Yeah. This is
F64.
F64. F64 is this. F65 is this. F65, look at this. F65, look at this for 14,999. Then F66 is this. F66, look at this. Purple and pink, and this is 14,999. F56. Then look at this. F65 Urmila Jadhav ma'am Sundar. 65. This F67. Look at this. F67 is this. 14,999. F68. See, all nice patterns. See the border. F68 is this. All handlooms. All handlooms. Pure handlooms. They're going on a jackpot price like yesterday. Yesterday clearance we gave on jackpot price. Today fresh we are giving on a nice price, almost on the clearance price. See, everywhere, everyone wants money. So what they're doing is reducing the price and giving, so that somewhere something works out. For us also in my store also, so much is there now to give. Once we go, we will give. F68 Urmila Jadhav ma'am, check. This F68. It's a beautiful color. F69 is this. See, wonderful combination. Checks and the buttas. Very nice handloom gadwals. And look at this. This F69. 14,999. Look at this. This F70. See here. F70 is this. 14,999. Yeah. F71 is this. F71 is this. Look at this. And the blouse piece. 14,999. Okay. Plain border vana solla. This is painting pandra border. This F72. F72 is this. Deepan ipdila kudtha enak interest poiru. Nee paathu kudutru. Avanga kuduthu kudukad. Plain border who will want to take? This is for the painting. Let's check pandra mai. This is F73. This completely thread border. F73, and this is for 14,999. Next range. What is next range? 8,999 lo sarees unnaya para. PL da unnaya. Okay, 50 sarees me ready cheyandi. ఇది కూడా next range కూడా handlooms. Handlooms will go for the next range. See, today I plan to give only the heavy ranges in handlooms. Okay, all the ranges we saw. Look at this. This complete contrast what we have. This is
F74.
F74 is this. F74. Look at this. This is the pallu. Show me. 15,999. F74. Okay. F75 is this. Beautiful gadwals. 15,999. Yeah. Exclusives tomorrow. One show I'll do, ma'am. F75. 15,999. Tomorrow I'll do some exclusive show also, and they'll be little pricey also, okay? Because I'm going to direct weavers, but still what I'm giving you will be the fresh sarees which are just from the looms, and at the same time not much, maybe 1 or 2 pieces exclusive ones. Okay. Seiko I had for 4,999, but tomorrow probably I'll show you. This is F76. Look at this. 15,999. F76. And look at this. This is the pallu we have. Okay. Inuku illa Satish Vaidya ma'am. This F77.
7.
F77 is this. And our C77 sari, we have got 70 plus bookings on it. 15,999 and it is and it is 2 months to 3 months weaving time. So anyone wants to book C77, you can again. I'll post the video in the morning. Where you dress from unchanged but between this thank you and Kapil. Thank you Brinda ma'am. These are from West Side ma'am. Sequin silk by cotton. Look at this. See, this is beautiful blue. And see here, this is also 15,999. What is this? F78. This is beautiful. Pink lovers can go for this. F79. China border par rahi. F79. First one that part. This F80. Look at this. F80 is this 15,999. Yes, Ramya ma'am. Tomorrow. This F81. F81 is this. Look at this. I'll just show you. Just buy. If you don't want, also leave it. These are all handlooms. PLR. 899 kuda. Kelu. Pre-booking cannot happen, ma'am. This is F81. 15,999 handlooms. Okay. So next I'll show you some exclusives. Some exclusives I'll show you. Illa. Okay, look at this. Now these are all exclusives what I'm showing you. Okay, beautiful Gadwal. Look at this wonderful border. Nice meenakari here. Okay, see here. Peacock and the jinkams. Orange butta we have. Alright, look at this. All these handlooms. What's the number?
F82.
F82. 19,999. Still reasonable. F82. Yeah. F83.
Same one.
19,999. F83. Look at this. Beautiful contrast we have. F83 and look at this. Okay. Then see this. Pastel lovers can go for this. F84. 19,999. F84 is this. Okay. Huh? Another? F80.
F85.
5. This is beautiful. F85. Look at this. 19,999. Yeah. Small borders venuma. Ilatti vitru kaattikla room la irukla 70 sarees will put on offer. How much time will take to reach? 12 o'clock. You want a super sale tonight? 70 sarees I have. Okay.
130.
One seva sale. Very fresh item, but it's in my room only. Feeling bad to give it back to the weaver. Ganga Jamnas are there. Nice corways are there. Few silk cottons are there. 12 o'clock, but I don't know how many of you can join. But whoever is joining at 12 o'clock, best price. This is
F86.
F86. Look at this. Price, Mahi? Nee, Anna. 18,999. Okay. Mega mom. This F?
F87.
எனக்கு அந்த இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் போயிருக்கு காட்டு உனக்கு புரியுதா இல்லையா எனக்கு தெரியாது. This F
87.
87 Sagarika ma'am. 4999 sarees tomorrow, ma'am. F87, huh? Could give me that Kalanjali one, nice one. Was there? This is
F88.
dealing with next. Mega, ma'am. F88. What's the price?
18,999.
18,919. Okay for 12 o'clock live. So, oh shit. Oh, no, okay, there's one exclusive saree here. Okay, look at this. It's a beautiful Gadwal. On the Gadwal, the Banarasi Leheria weaving we have. Look at this. This is how it looks. Okay, an exclusive piece. This is the pallu we have with the tassels. This is F
89.
29,500. This is F 90. Look at this. Mahi is not up to the speed today. Ma'am. F90. In this, no, anyone who is telling the number and who is giving the service, if their speed goes down, then my speed will affect. F90 is this. Yeah?
90,999.
It went up. அவன் நேத்து மாதிரி அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணல, எனக்கு நேத்து மாதிரி கொடுத்து அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணல. அவனுக்கு ஆசை வந்து சொல்லு. என்ன காட்டு?
Sorry,
என்ன காட்டு? காட்டு.
29,999.
I know, I told the same price.
29,000.
That's what I told, 29,500. It's the same pattern, Mahi. இது என்ன இது? பவர் லூம் அப்படி. கடைசி இத மிச்ச பவர் லூம். சீக்கோ இல்ல அவங்கிட்ட. ரெண்டே பீஸ் give me that. அது கூட டக்குனு போய் எடுத்துட்டு வா. 2 seekos I have, just see that. Mahi நாளைக்கு. வேண்டாம், அது காட்டுறதுக்கு நிறைய இருக்கு. ஹாய் கார்த்தினி மேம், how are you? சவுந்த தூங்க ஒரு 10 நிமிஷம். Look at this, a beautiful seiko here.
11,999.
Yesterday show what is left. Ask Darshan to put it on the channel. I told you yesterday. சொல்லுங்க please. This is F. அவன் மூஞ்சி எதுக்கு பார்க்குறேன் நான் சொல்லும் போது? நான் உங்ககிட்ட சொன்னேன் எஸ் சொல்லணும். அவன் மூஞ்சி பார்த்து என்ன இருப்போகுது? ஃபஸ்ட்டு உங்கள் 2 பேர் அங்கே புக்கிங்கில் உங்கள் 2 பேர் எடுத்துகிட்டு அந்த டீமை போடவே கூடாது. ஒரே ஊருக்காரங்க போட்டால் தான் பிரச்சனை. அந்த மொத்த ஊரை சொல்கிறேன் நான். திஸ் இஸ் F. Mahi.
91.
F91 is this. 11,999. F91. It's a beautiful handloom seiko where we have a silk by silk border and a silk by silk pallu and the blouse piece. F91. 11,000. Just 2 pieces I have. Okay. This F92. F92 is this. Seiko. This is seiko irka. Oh, we got. See, these are very nicely priced. So you can just buy them, and these are handloom seikos with the buttas. F92. These are sold for 14,000-15,000 rupees. Look at this. I've got some more seikos, new ones. Yeah. F93. Sagarika ma'am. Will. F92 Priya Ravi ma'am, check. This is F93. 11,999. Beautiful seikos. Yeah. This F94. Look at this. F94 is this. Wonderful seikos for 11,999. This is the best price for the seikos. Yeah. Thank you Rupa ma'am. This F95. Look at this. 11,999 for this beautiful seikos. F95. Then F96. Look at this. Yellow and blue F96. And look at this. Sumitra ma'am, visible. F94 Sagarika ma'am, check. This F96. That's 11,999. This is also 11,999. F97. These are nice. F97. Look at this. 11,999. Then Seiko. Huh?
Seiko.
This F90.
98.
Varsha Hanam Sagar ma'am oda message par please GPay related. Ad screenshot எடுத்து விஜய் immediate அனுப்பிடுங்க. நான் உங்களுக்குள்ளே அனுப்புங்க பண்ணுங்க அப்படி சொன்னா it will not resolve. Please send it to Vijay right away. Look at this. This is F
98.
98 எடுத்துட்டியா screenshot Deepa Hanam Sagar ma'am and send it to him. F98 is this 10,999 iduma. This F90
9.
see Ganga Jamuna on Seiko we have here. Look at this. This is the pallu. 12,999. ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೈ ಇವ್ನ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. This F90
F100.
and he was asking Seiko F80. Too much is traveled in plane. That's why. F99 Sagarika ma'am. This F, how old he is Mega ma'am?
F100.
F100 is this, okay? 11,999. F101 is this 11,999. Did you send sounder?
Message போட யாரு?
Deepanam Sagar. Alla Varshanam Sagar. Okay, Varsha ma'am, please WhatsApp. We'll check. Okay. Enna Deepan? Kudu? Huh? Enna? Velladadu mahi. It's not funny. Look at this. Now these are beautiful handloom and these are pure silk gadwals. Okay. This is F
102.
102. Tell me the price. Small borders are the 18,999. Small illiya. Small illa sollu. And the border butta irukadella konjam iru. This F
103.
103. Price sollu. 19,999. Okay. F 103. 19 18 ah.
90.
Check பண்ணிக்கோ. Check பண்ணிக்கோ. அவங்ககிட்ட கேட்டுக்கோ. அவங்ககிட்ட கேட்டுக்கோ. Okay. Look at this. This is F
104. Price.
104. Look at this. 19,999. F104 is this. Okay. Open the price கேட்டுக்கோ. It's the same one kanchi I had, no? Price கேட்டுக்கோ. சும்மா கொடுத்தேன். Look at this. This is beautiful. This is a nice off-white checks Buddha and a very nice corway border. Look at this. This is F
105.
price. F105 is this. F105. Okay. ಅದು this F
105.
F105 16,999. Okay. Priya Ravi ma'am, check 105. F106 16,999 and the 20 sarees and then we'll wind up 12 o'clock. I'll show you F106 one jackpot price. F107 this is beautiful 16,999. F107 red tapet here and look at this. F1 the fresh sarees. F107 F108 we have this cuttam and the buttas. F108 look at this pallu and the blouse piece. Yeah. F109 is this 16,999. Look at this. 105 is 16,999. This is F10
110.
F110 16,999. This is F
111.
111. F111 is this beautiful white. F111 book for my mom, Soundar. She never wore this color. F111. F112 is this. F112, look at this. This is for 16,999. This is 107 Meenakshi Jayaraman, ma'am, check. This is F
113.
113 is this. 16,999. Yeah. F114. Wonderful. F114 is this. Huh? Enika. F114 book for me, Soundar. Lovely. F114 is this. Yeah. F115 is this. Orange and blue. 16,999 pure handloom Gadwals. F116 is this. And the blouse piece. F116, look at this. Yes, in the vati ella kaatite Vaijanti ma'am Gadwals la. This F117, look at this. F117 is this. And this time I'm also checking like you. F118. Ready for the 12 o'clock show. Only today. The last show. And best offers. Just because I cannot give it back or I cannot take it by car. Putting it on nice price, and they are all fresh ones. And they are hotcakes from the looms. This S 118. S119. F119 is this. Yeah. Look at this. For F119 for 16,999. Thungumati F1 20. 16,999 F120. Yeah. What range? That is surprise, but not 10,000 and all. Handlooms only I'll show you. The fresh ones, but for the best price. Yes, Vaijanti ma'am, thank you. This is beautiful color. Checks and the butta here, and look at this. 15,999. F
121.
1
21.
F1
21.
21. F122 is this. Wanted 114. So it's okay. Very happy birthday to you, Sumitra ma'am. You book whatever after this, take a 5% discount on your birthday. This F
22.
Pythanis, I should be having 1 or 2, 3 pieces. F1 22. So 15,999. See, the starting price of handloom Gadwal is 15,999 now. It will not change with us also. If at all I am giving you at 12 o'clock, it may be for worst case 14,500 or 13,999. It is not less than that. So people don't spoil your sleep. People who want to buy can buy, because the prices have gone high, and that's a fresh from the looms what we have got, the weavers have got, and which you have seen also. I'm slashing because we cannot carry it back, or we cannot give it back to them. Yeah, look at this. This is S
F123.
F123 is this. Yes, Satish Vaidya ma'am, it's a good deal because those are sold for 19,000 rupees. This F 123. Okay, what is the time? 10, 11, 12. Can we reach in 1 hour? Huh? ரெண்டு மணி நேரமா ஒன்னே கால் காட்டுது. அப்புறம் என்ன வாங்கிடும்? எந்த பார்சல்? ஃபுட் பார்சல். நான் என்ன பேசியிருக்கேன்? ஃபுட் இஸ் ஆல்சோ இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். ஐ எம் நாட் டெல்லிங் தட். எங்கே பார்சல் பண்ணணும்? அது பண்ணிக்கலாம் இங்கே. லேட் ஆகாது, பார்க்கலாம். This is
124.
F1 24. Look at this. This is beautiful. F124. And this is, I'll check. Suja ma'am, I should be having this F120
25.
midnight. Give me a beautiful white or lavender. White I can give you, Vaijanti ma'am. I should check what is there. F120
5.
5 power loom la lavender in the cut, Vaijanti ma'am. F120 6. Thank you, Deepa ma'am. F126 15,999. Okay, very cutter interest to put. F120
7.
7 is this. F127 is this. Okay, look at this. F127. All right. Podu. Just give that blue saree. Sound in the blue put. One exclusive one is there. அவங்ககிட்ட சொன்னா அவங்க ரெடி பண்ணிடுவாங்க. நீங்க வா. You have Lakshmi Kadaksham na என்னமா? You are able to touch silk daily. அப்படியா? F15 lavender இருக்கப்பா? இங்க குடு. குடுறா. Vaijanti ma'am. Look at this. Vaijanti ma'am. Number சொல்லு.
F128.
F1
28.
28. Vaijanti ma'am, check பண்ணுங்க. Okay, look at this. It's a beautiful pure handloom. Nice blue. Okay. One more thing. Tired ஆயிடுச்சா? Break எடுக்கல முடியல. Today actually we didn't do much of research. Okay, we got what is available only. But listen, March 7th. Okay, March 7th. I got all the gadwals in the world for next 6 months. Angel ma'am, I'll show you a few more. Wait, I'll give that to Vaijanti ma'am, that lavender. March 7th we are attempting a world record. Okay. Okay, thank you Srividya ma'am. Srividya ma'am, Coimbatore, Chennai in the ID. Hi Bhavika ji. March 7th we are, what are we doing? March 7th we are attempting for a world record. That is on Saturday, first week. It is going to be one of the India's biggest online show for 8 hours continuously non-stop without taking a break or without disconnecting. Maybe in between I have a permission to take 5 minutes break without disconnecting the live. Let me see how it goes. But it's in 8 hours. We are attempting for 2 things. One is for the longest duration of live, which everyone is doing. Yeah, anyone can do. But the second option which we have selected is for the highest numbers of sarees sold on live. And we are going to show you at least some huge varieties of sarees that one day, out of all the 10 years what I worked or my expertise in the textile industry from my store, because I cannot travel and all that, it's comfortable. So all the expertise of 10 years into the textile industry, I'm going to show you almost the varieties what I can show you on that day. And that particular day, all the resellers can connect, everyone can connect, because every saree you will be getting it for not less than for the wholesale price. All right, for example if a what is that, Tassar Jamdani is for 7,500 in the market, I will be giving you for 4,999, 5,999, 6,999, 7,500 to 10,000. They are sold in different places. We will be giving you for 4,999, like that. On the slab linens which are sold for 1,500 will go for 799, 699. So it is going to be one of the biggest show for 8 hours non-stop, showing salwars, suits, whatever we have, and I've arranged all the stock for that. And the challenge is we have to sell 700 to 800 saris in that 8 hours, or 1000 saris. 800 is their challenge what they have given us. Yeah, and we are trying to make it 1000. Yeah, thank you Sukram ma'am. Yes Usha ma'am. So from tomorrow we'll start taking videos and start posting it. All of you have to follow our page, like our page, but I'll tell you, I'll show you the India's best views on that day. And ask your family, friends, relatives, everyone to follow, everyone to buy, so that we get the record, and the record judgment will happen in the end of the show only, because we will be having a team from overseas who will come sit with us and invigilate and also check. Everyone will get. You will sell 2000 sarees, right, as Rajvi. Selling 2000 sarees is not a problem. Suddenly WhatsApp issues will happen, network issues will happen. All that is the problem. If that comes, then it is a big pain. Yeah, I think and wish you will take 15 days to dispatch. Ma'am, these sarees only we have crossed almost 9-10,000 sarees we have crossed in this outdoor live. What my dispatching team is doing, I don't know. I didn't even call and speak to them since our back end team is there. Yeah, so yeah, the only rule is that you will have to immediately buy, immediately put the payments. Even for the overseas people, I'm telling you, immediately buy, immediately put the payments. Yeah, I know it's difficult, but that day you will have to do it. Okay, March 7th. So fix up all your dates and stay with us, be with us. Padma ma'am, Terila, every time I have been sitting for 8-9 hours. We are already Indian record holder in one book of records, but then I think we are now this will go for the world record and also the Asia book of records, and then our next project will be getting into the Guinness book of records. Let's see. All right, so everyone should be buying at least 5-10 sarees to make it. Thank you Girja ma'am. Hema ma'am. Can we put some balance before Agadullah? That day only you should put, and that live only. Yeah? Okay. Alright, so what I'll do is I'll just wind up now. And one Ganga Jamuna. What's the price? We'll wind up now and I'll straight go to the hotel. It will take 1.5 hours for the drive, and we'll see. Okay, this is 15,999 number.
F129.
F129. Ganga Jamuna price sollu. Mayam price sollu. Avunu sollu Mahi. Look at this. This is F130. You can bundle variety of sarees. No bundling of sarees. I'm getting a fresh stock to bundle the sarees. Only when our stock clearance or sarees which are not sold out or sarees which are not are there in the store for many times, that will bundle up and give you the offers. Not that. We are all arranging for the fresh stock and multiple pieces so everyone can get. Okay, I'm coming at 12 o'clock, Brinda ma'am. I'm coming online back at 12 o'clock. I'll just leave from here now. It will take 1.5 hours for me to leave, 20-30 minutes for me to have my dinner, and 12 o'clock I'll connect up. I have some 70-80 handloom sarees, fresh ones from the loom in my room, which I'll be showing it to you because I don't want to give it back to the weaver or cannot carry it on the car because already there's so much of luggage in the car. Okay, alright. What's the price? $17,999. Now 12 o'clock, see my pricing, the same, because I will get. Thank you, Indu ma'am. Okay, show me. Tissue, open. Handloom kada. Okay, look at this. Show me beautiful tissue, my cut. Beautiful tissues. 25,000. Leave it, Mahi. We will take it from our viewers. Look at this. What pricing I give, even Gadwal people will not give you. Look at this beautiful tissue and this one. 25,000 rupees. Look at this. Thank you. Thank you, Shailaja ma'am. What's the number?
F131.
F131 tissue Gadwal, which is more in trend. Okay, tissue Gadwal you're taking, but guys understand, everywhere in trend it is nice looking. When you pin off, no, sometimes tissue, no, little problem, it may tear also. Then ma'am, my tissue got tore, sorry, not good quality. All that tissue is tissue. When you put pin, it may go, but it will look very nice, fancy. Once you wear, it's fine. Look at this. This is very much in trend, sold for 28,000-30,000. This is
F132.
F delicate saree, but the rest all is nice. F
132.
F130
132.
2 F132. Okay, pola. This beautiful F130
133.
3. Yeah, F133 is this. Okay, thank you, Siti Lakshmi ma'am. F133 15,999. Podu.
134.
F135 is this.
34.
F134 is this. 15,000. Yeah, it's full tissue. இது வேண்டடா தீபனே. அது கூட இந்த orange கூட. இந்த orange கூட முடிச்சிடலாம். My நாளைக்கு நம்ம தரையிலே போயிடலாம். I'll go to my looms tomorrow. I didn't go today. Today I had some other work.
Yes, also.
Look at this. This is F135.
135.
F135 is this. What's the price? 15,999. I'll straight go to my room and show you from there. Nice prices. I'll tell you the prices because people who have to sleep can sleep. The Ganga Jamunas, the handlooms, this everything. Yeah. All will be putting it up for one price. Okay, everything, even the heavy borders and everything. All right, 12 o'clock. I'll show you, and tomorrow I'll be meeting my viewers because I need another 300 sarees for the store. Let me see if I can make it because sarees are not there anywhere. 3 sarees we are collecting. It's tough, but pricing we are getting. Wow, and the white wow. Okay, see ya. This is 136. 15,999.
22,000.
22,000.
Border.
Okay. 22,000. Okay. Nah, innu kammila kuttala. Okay. Adenta parmai.
Same.
1 second. Padma ma'am, I think it should be there. Alright. Anyways, thank you so much and see you all at 12 o'clock. 12 மணி கனெக்ட் பண்ணலாமா? 12 o'clock we'll connect. Yeah. Thank you. And yeah, today like heavy collections were there. And Soundari ma'am, 12 மணிக்கு வரதுக்கு தான் இப்போ போறேன். கொஞ்சம் ஆஃபர்ஸ் கொடுக்கலாம் அப்படி சொல்லிட்டு உங்களுக்கு. ஏன்னா இன்னைக்கு கொஞ்சம் விலை எனக்கும் ஜாஸ்தி மாதிரி இருக்கு. ஸோ ஏன்னா நான் வந்து நாளைக்கு தரிகார் கிட்ட போயிடுறேன் நாளைக்கு. ஸோ வி வில் ஹேவ் தட். ஸோ எவ்ரிடே இட் டசன்ட் ரிமைன் த சேம், நோ. ஸோ see you all at what time? 12 AM. சேம் காஸ்டியூம் வில் see me. எப்படி இங்கே ஓடி போயிட்டு அங்கே போய் கனெக்ட் பண்ணிடுறேன். ஆல்ரைட். ஸோ 12 o'clock. Have you seen such crazy team like us who இல்லை யாரும் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க, பண்ணாலும் பரவாயில்ல, ஃப்ரீ கூட கொடுத்து போயிடும். ஆல்ரைட். சௌந்தரி மேம் ஜாயின் பண்ணுங்க 12 மணிக்கு. நமக்கெல்லாம் இப்போ 12 மணிக்கு தூக்கமே வராது. எல்லாம் யூஎஸ் ஷிஃப்ட்டுக்கு மாறட்டும். நம்ம தூங்குறதே 4 மணிக்கு, எந்திரிக்கிறதே ஒரு 10 o'clock ஆகிடும். டே டைம் வி ஆர் கெட்டிங் ஸ்லீப். யா, தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச். ஓகே, பை.